Welcome to the Dintalks channel. Today Dintalks channel has come up with new videos. And that's his 5 best foldable electric bike of 2022. The link of the products also giving in the description box. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. The 5th one on the list, Jasion EB7 2.0. Powerful motor and large battery, the EB7 electric bike equipped with a powerful 500W brushless motor boosted the max speed of 20 mph and conquer 15% hill with ease. The 48V10Ah lithium-ion battery achieves a range of up to 20 to 40 miles per charge. The removable battery design makes charging more convenient. Extremely comfort riding. The electric fat tire bike has dual suspensions. The front suspension fork has a bump absorbing 80 mm of travel, and the rear seat suspension absorbs most pressure. The puncture-resistant 20x3 fat tires provide excellent grip and superior shock absorption ability, all to offer you a comfortable, stable, and confident riding experience. The EB7 electric bike is designed foldable, and a weight of only 59 lbs. The e-bike can be easily folded and stored into the trunk of a car or bring it into the subway, making it the best commute and travel companion. The 4th one on the list, Swagtron Swagcycle EB-5. Finding a way to get around town and stay active can be tough, but the EB-5 Plus is tougher. Reinforced with premium craftsmanship, a powerful motor, an upgraded fold and lock mechanism, and a long-lasting removable battery, the EB-5 Plus takes your everyday commute from tedious to terrific, more fun, less hassle. Combining a robust 250-watt motor and the ability to pedal, the EB-5 Plus is the modern-day commuter's dream. Cruise up to 15.5 miles on a single charge. Reach top speeds of 15 miles per hour. Conquer steep hills and 30-degree inclines with ease. EB-5 Plus also works like a traditional pedal bike, letting you pedal when you want to get your heart pumping. With pedaling, your range and top speeds aren't limited by motor or battery life. Need to take a breather? Go full throttle or activate the pedal-to-go mode and get an electric assist from the motor. The 3rd one on the list, VIVI Electric Bike. This bike is equipped with a 350-watt high-speed brushless motor. The brushless motor is small in size, reliable in performance, never worn out, and has a low failure rate. The brushless motor can make the bike start faster and more powerful. Even on steep slopes, you can easily go uphill. The bicycle is equipped with a 36-volt removable lithium battery. You can choose to charge it on the bicycle or remove the battery and charge it separately. Usually, it can be fully charged in 4 to 6 hours. With the energy-saving system, the battery lasts longer, enough to meet your daily commute or one-day adventure. The mountain bike has 3 working modes: pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, and normal mode. The pure electric mode has a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of 25 miles. Pedal assist mode can last 44 to 50 miles. Both pure electric and pedal assist modes have 3-speed gears. It can be adjusted by an LED meter. The 2nd one on the list, Opeak e-bike. It is our primary goal to build an electric bicycle with reliable quality and excellent performance. High-strength 6061 aluminum alloy electric mountain bike foldable frame combined with 48-volt, 750 Ohm high-speed brushless motor outputs continuous, super strong power. High-performance hydraulic disc brake with electric cutoff function, 203 mm front and 180 mm rear discs provide a safe braking distance. 4.0-inch width tires improve riding stability. Speed and range: max speed 32 miles. Range of PAS model 46 miles. Throttle model 34 miles. Performance-based spec may vary according to rider weight, riding style, terrain, and other factors. The 48-volt e-bike battery of this folding e-bike is removable that can be charged on or off the frame easily. 6 hours of charging time from 0 to 100%. You can also buy spare batteries in our shop and use them alternately with the standard battery. The last one on the list, Bezior X Plus. Bezior electric bike is equipped 1,500-volt high-speed brushless motor, which can provide an electric bike max speed of up to 25 miles per hour. Torque 78 Nm can satisfy your daily riding on all terrains, ensuring an excellent riding experience off-road. Removable IP54 waterproof lithium-ion batteries, and 1,500-volt brushless rear-geared motor. Newly upgraded 4.0 wide puncture-resistant fat tires have better performance and a cooler appearance. With an excellent suspension front fork and seat post, its strong shock absorption helps you pass rough terrain with less effort. In addition to city roads, Bezier X Plus can ride on snow, beaches, and rugged mountain roads, fully charged in 5 hours. This e-bike is capable to achieve 38+ miles in full electric mode and 80+ miles in pedal assist mode. Removable battery, convenient to bring home or office to recharge. Calculation based on rider's weight of 75 kilograms. And that's all for today's video. Links of the products is given in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.